So this is how my hair looks before. So I'm going to shampoo, condition, and then I'm gonna go in with the moisturizer and then the Flaxseed Gel. And then yeah, we'll see what's going on after that. I'm gonna be finger detangling my hair, so let's just get right into it. All right, you guys, we gotta get this hair soaking wet, and then I'm gonna start by using the shampoo first and foremost. Clean my hair, clean my scalp, get rid of that buildup that I had in the week. And then I'm gonna follow up with number 2, the pure grapeseed conditioner, and detangle my hair. And then I'll follow up with the moisturizer. I'm gonna be doing the moisturizer in the shower, and then I'll follow up with the flaxseed gel to finish everything off. So just keep on watching. It says to stay in the shower and put the moisturizer in there, so that's what I did. I did that, and then I just took a shower really quick. I'm just gonna start with the Flaxseed Gel. I'm gonna part it in sections because I want to make sure that everything gets on my hair. So oh my gosh, I can't wait to see these results. So it says to use 1 to 2 pumps, and all of this lavender smells so good. I'm like obsessed with lavender. Like, dang. Okay. Oh, just kidding. I grabbed the gel. No, I wasn't tripping. No, I was not tripping. So I'm just gonna rake it into my hair. Sometimes I shingle, sometimes I rake, just depends. But for the sake of this video, I will be raking. And then sometimes I go in with the pressing hands after. Just depends. All methods are welcome. Okay. Every single one of these products had a lot of slip, and I love slip. Obviously the shampoo didn't have any slip because it's not for detangling. But yeah, I was really impressed with the conditioner and the moisturizer was so soft and creamy. Oh my goodness. You can definitely tell that it's going to be moisturizing. I'm trying to decide which kind of part I want to do. I'll probably do a side part over on this side. That's my go-to. So keep in mind that I already put the moisturizer in the shower because that's what the directions said. And you have to apply this on soaking wet hair. But I've seen some other videos of the girls, they just get out the shower and like just spray their hair with water. I mean, that's okay if you can get your hair super soaking wet, then whatever works for you. But I find that when I'm putting products in the shower, my styling is like cut in half significantly. Like, I should hurry up because my camera's about to die. Oh no. I'm just so excited to see these results. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. If you made it this far, then I love you. I'm done applying this. I'm gonna air dry for about 30 minutes. And then I'm going to diffuse. I probably won't film that part. Put a little bit more over everything to make sure everything is good to go. Gotta make sure it's super drenched. Okay, so the moisturizer will be in my left hand. Do that. And then this, it's hard to see it. This is the gel. You see how they kind of like, okay, this one obviously has more slip because it's running down my freaking hand, but I literally thought that I had accidentally put the moisturizer in twice, but I'm just gonna put this in. Let me part this hair. I'm done. Like I said, I'm gonna sit for 30 minutes to air dry, and then I'm going to diffuse. Okay. Alright, I'll be right back. So if you guys see my last video, this is how I stretch my hair. I bend the ponytail for about 5 minutes or so, and then I'll take it out, and then I'll have some stretched hair. Gosh, so my hair is 100% dry right now. Usually I would pick it out, but I'm loving how this looks right now. It's super shiny, as you guys can see. It's defined, and most importantly, it's moisturized. This 4-step system, you can either do 1, 2, 3, 4, or you can do 1, 2 and just skip 3 and do 4. So as you guys saw, I did 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 being the shampoo, 2 being the conditioner, 3 being the moisturizer, and 4 being the amazing flaxseed gel that I just love so much. And I feel like it really has changed the game for me because this definition and this moisture is just crazy for me. Like, I don't think I've ever seen my hair look like this before. Usually I would do my baby hairs, but I'm not going nowhere, so they'll just have to wait until tomorrow. But are you guys seeing this? Are you seeing it, girl? Are you seeing it? Like, it's so defined. I don't want to stop looking at it, honestly. Like, it's so pretty, honey. And it's super moisturized. Oh my god. I forgot to mention, you guys, this conditioner, it's hard to see. Oh. Anyways, it says pure grape seed conditioner hydrating with ultra slip, okay? And when I say ultra,
Ultra.
Okay, this conditioner slip is unbelievable. Okay, when you guys saw that I was finger detangling, it was a breeze. Okay, super easy, super slippery. This is what I love. I love the slippery conditioners. Everything had slip. Everything. Not the shampoo, because come on, it's a shampoo. But y'all, everything had great slip. This 4-step wash and go system. Thank you, CurlMix. Thank you for introducing me to this. I love it. I'm gonna have to get all the different scents that you guys have. Let me go grab it really quick. Okay. I really thought that the freaking gel was the moisturizer, and I thought that I had messed up. I thought I had just put on more freaking moisturizer, but it was the gel. That's how, like, the gel isn't thick, like super, you know, like the Wetline Extreme gel or something like that. It's not thick like that. It's more like, it's runny, and it actually has some amazing hold. I'm so impressed with the gel, and my hair is not crunchy or nothing like that. It's very soft. Should definitely get the fragrance one. I'm not fragrance, wow. The freaking lavender fragrance one, because it's just so moisturizing. Like, if you're needing moisture or anything like that, this lavender line is gonna blow your mind. I just can't get over this. Like, I really can't. I encourage you to go to CurlMix right now and use my code that I put down below, and you'll get 20% off, okay guys? 20%. So go ahead and get your products now. I just want to give a thanks to CurlMix for sending me these products and letting me do a review for them. Yeah, I definitely will probably be using this until it's all gone for my next wash and goes. Like, I'm just gonna have to put a hold on all the other products that I have and just use these up until they're all gone. That being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment and let me know what you guys think. So I'll see you guys later.